The Phone Sling Bag and Wallet. A smart compact sling designed to carry and access your phone and stuff in the most practical and minimal way. Easy to put on, easy to adjust, can be worn on either the front or back. This ultra-compact sling has you covered in all situations. It will keep you agile on the move, either just walking around or doing sports. The front of the sling is made with resistant high-grade aluminum for a maximum protection of your essentials. And the back is made with soft EVA padding for maximum comfort. The unique opening style system lets you store and access your items in a second. Just push the button and all your items are visible and organized. The innovative 90-degree opening system lets you use your phone directly. No need to take it out. Instantly access your phone and use the sling as a support. The sling also features an innovative built-in wallet, a totally new type of wallet. Strap and secure your cards, passport, and vehicle documents thanks to the 3 slots and 2 sizes. It is also removable. Don't want to use it to liberate some space? Just click it off. At Ogon Design, we're all about reinventing luggage in a smarter way. After 20 years in the business reinventing wallets, here we are again pushing boundaries of luggage with the first aluminum sling.